Hi, today I'm going to do a tasting. An Oreo cookie that's a new flavor. Chocolate covered pretzel. I've been looking forward to this for 2 days. I've found these in the store and I was really looking forward to how they taste, so I thought I would share it with you. It says pretzel flavored cookie, artificially flavored, topped with salt and chocolate covered pretzel. Yummy. Let's see how this goes. Limited edition. I probably won't be able to get them again. What? It's empty!
Oh no, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were gonna unveil them.
Rick!
They're good. Dunk them in milk. Look, I saved you some.
He ate all these rows.
I'm awful sorry.
They must have been good, huh?
Yeah,
Well,
that was in
next
one
time
sitting.
I'll hide them better.
I opened it once and ate all of them.
Look at these cookies. No wonder he ate them all. They have a nice flavor. They have a nice golden flavor to them. Look at the chocolate inside. Ooh, I must dunk them.
Yeah.
Oh, Rick, I might as well dunk one for you.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Cheers.
One bite. Pretzel.
Oh,
Chocolate pretzel. See? That's
I
why-
can see why he ate them.
Yeah, they go down so fast. Well, you can eat all them now.
If you can get your hands on one of these packs, get it. It's really good. Doesn't taste quite like an Oreo, but it also tastes very good.
Like a pretzel, huh?
You're lucky you saved a couple. Thanks for watching.